Hello, and welcome to Cisco Meraki. My name is John Cable. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to use Meraki Vision smart cameras and Meraki Things IoT sensors to monitor the opening and closing of a door. We recently worked with a customer on a similar use case, using this solution to securely monitor and alert on their vaccine storage and supplies. They needed a solution that provided both a visual and electronic record of each and every door closing event. Now, I've already installed my Meraki Vision smart camera. It's online, it's already configured, and is working and pointed at the door that I want to monitor all opening and closing events. I've also installed my Meraki MT20 contact sensor on the door that I would like to monitor when it is opened and closed. Once the Meraki MT20 sensor has been physically installed, it will automatically connect to either a Meraki Vision smart camera or a Meraki Wi-Fi 6 access point, and it will connect to the closest one within range. Now let's go into the Meraki dashboard and look at configuring some of that alerting, and then actually take a look at what those alerts look like and some of the data that is available from those alerts. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to click on this particular camera. And then we're going to go ahead and click on Settings, and then we're going to go to Motion Alerts. And we're going to go ahead and set up a specific area of interest that we would like to get motion alerts, specifically on the detection of people. So we're going to draw this zone, and then we'll be able to get alerted when a person is detected within that specific zone. Now that we've got our area of interest configured, let's go over to the sensors and set up the alerting for those. So the overview page is a great first step to see what the current status is of all of the sensors that are within the network. You can then get more detailed information by looking at all of the sensors in this list and then going into each and every sensor to get more detailed information. For the purposes of this demo, we're going to just take a look at setting up the alert profiles. So here you can see I've already pre-configured an alert profile, but let's just step through what it takes to set that up. So first you're going to name your alert. And I want to get an alert when a door is open. You can enter an email address, and you can also enter a phone number. I'm using both an email in my network-wide alerts as well as a webhook, and we'll see what that looks like after we actually initiate a open and door close event. Now with that, we're going to actually switch to video, and I'm going to open and close a door in my office, and we'll take a look at what those alerts look like. Okay, here in my office, you can see that I have an MV smart camera mounted near my ceiling, and I also have a contact sensor that is on this door. I'm going to open this door for about 4 or 5 seconds, and then I'm going to close it. Now, within a few seconds of me doing that, we will now be able to see what those alerts look like. So let's switch back to the browser and take a look at what the webhook alerts look like. Here we can see we just got an alert indicating that the door has been opened. And what's interesting here is the time frame. This is the epoch time or Unix time of when that door event happened. So the door was opened at 1844. The next alert that came in indicated that the door closed with a sensor value of 0, and you can see I had the door open for about 4 seconds. The next type of alert that I'm going to show you is actually taking a look at the motion recap alert that we got from the camera as that event happened. So if we scroll down here, we're going to see a motion recap image of me walking over from my desk to the door, opening it, and then closing it. Now, not only do we have the ability with this motion recap image to actually see what happened with me going to the door and then coming back through that area of interest. But I can do that all without having to actually watch that footage. Instantly, with this motion recap image, I can see what has happened. Now, if I'd like to review that footage, I can actually go here and review that footage and look and watch the entire video. We also can provide SMS alerting, so if you'd like to get a text on door open and door close. I hope this was informational. Thank you and have a great day.